I don't care how long it takes. It can get that
Oh my God, I got the internet buzzing. Every song that I drop, you got the fireman coming. Bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me. Better be me, that'll be free.
Oh my God, we
not
hit
Pee-wee, and they got cheese like CC's. I'm never gonna flop. Looking back down from the top. Never caught up on a loss. Ballin' cause I've been a boss. They follow me like I'm the law. Put all the weight on my back. Gonna be a legend like my name is Shaq. Gonna be a funeral when I attack. So watch how you act. They never thought I could've rap. Damn, I'm one of a kind. That son.
Faze Rain. Faze Rain, guys. This video is inspired by Faze Rain. I wasn't subscribed to him for quite some time, and he popped up on my recommended. He was playing this game, and I thought I'd give it a shot. I am playing on controller right now, on all my other games, but this is obviously mouse and keyboard. So let's see how we do on a mouse and keyboard. Okay, let's get it. We're gonna be sniping, maybe using a red gun, but I think we're mainly gonna be sniping. Let's give it a shot, see how it goes. Enjoy the video. Get out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Oh. We need to get a first place before we end this the video. That's it. We need one first place. Oh, let's go! Oh my God. We hit those. We hit those. That's it. We hit those. We hit those though. We hit those though. Yo, I'm telling you, we need one first place before we end this video. I don't care how long it takes. It can get that big. Oh my God, we actually hit those. Oh my God, we hit those. Fuck, bro, I'm getting triples on some shit. Alright, yo, game's over. We got second place with 1.6k. I'll take it. I will take that. GG's, bro. I'm actually, oh my God.
Bruh.
Like, oh my God. Yo, what's a good map? Let's go Kenji, because I've never played that one. Alright, let's start this. I've never played this map, boys. So looks like some SMG players would do a lot better on. I'm not saying you're hacking. Oh, there's one. What? I'm just gonna chill in this area, I think. There's only 3 other enemies. Bro, we need more people in this server. This map is shit though, I'm never voting it again. There's no lineups for spawns. Bro, I actually just hit that? Oh my God. They call me the young goat. That's what they call me. Wait, do they? Oh my God, they call me the young goat. Faze Rain, bro, where are you? Yo, we won, baby. Let's go. Alright, we got our dub that we needed, but that also didn't feel like too legit. So I want to try to get a dub that's actually like a full lobby and like sweating. You know what I mean? Alright, let's run it. Let's get this dub. We don't need a full lobby, but we need something that we can get like at least 1,000 points on, you know? Ooh, nice snipe, buddy. Nice snipe. GG. I don't like how that Krunker IO has control over your pointer, like, every time I spawn. Like, get out of here. Oh my God, let's go! No, we almost got a quad on screen. Bro. We almost got a quad on screen. That flick. Yo, Faze Rain, where you at? You showed me this game. Anyone? Oh my god, I lost. Oh my. If you saw my mouse cam, I legit lost my mouse. Like it flew out of my hand. Where they at though? Oh, I hit him! I hit him! Oh my god! How come every game that's like Minecraft, like those kind of characters, gets popular? I don't understand. Is it just shittier quality the better the game is? I don't know if you can hit collaterals in this game. Come on. No. GG, bro. GG, I'll take it. 15 and 9. Get out of here, Ethan. Yeah, Ethan, that's right. Oh, get flicked. Oh! Oh! Ethan's the best one in the lobby other than me. I'm just saying that right now. Oh, I don't think I'm winning this one. We're like tied. What? Yo, I hit. Oh my god, a sliver of health difference from a dub. Oh my god, GG. We'll take it. I'll accept defeat. That's okay. Oh. I'm not sure if you can get collapse in this. Not yet. I just got a 4 on screen, let's go. I wish this had more ammo. Oh my god. I love that sound though. It sounds like the M1 Grand. That's what Oh, GG, Bob da man. Oh my god, that would have been sick! It's like physically make 0. Okay, that was fun. That was fun. First place, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay, okay. I just get collat? Yeah, I did. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, so you can collat in this game. Confirmed collat. Accuracy though, Ryan. Come on. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. That was hella fun to make. And if you enjoy kind of like different videos like that, make sure you guys comment down, because I really do enjoy switching it up and just playing something new for you guys, you know. But anyways, if you did enjoy, feel free to hit that like, and if you're new, feel free to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't forget about the content on this channel. And like always guys, this is Regen or George signing out. Oh my god, we hit those.